Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2019 Kia Forte, and on our Kia Forte our check engine light is on, and we're going to go ahead and check the engine, check that code and see what it is. We got a OBD2 scanner hooked up to the OBD2 port. This is an OBD2 scanner that will check the ECU, and that's pretty much it. So diagnostic, communicating with the vehicle, yes, tells us that our light is on. Well, we know that it's on, so then we're going to read our codes and the stored codes, and our intake valve control solenoid is not reading correctly. One thing that happens when this one goes off is your idle is going to be a lot higher than what you're normally used to. It's trying to compensate for whatever the issue is. So we're going to go and find this solenoid and go over the process it would take to replace it. Okay, so the solenoid, or this connector, is right here, and the solenoid is this unit right behind it. We've got a size number 10 bolt that we need to remove, and this electrical clamp. This electrical clamp isn't one that you just press on. You got to kind of pull it up on the back and then pull out. If you try to press on the back, it doesn't really do anything to pop it up. So we remove that, get it out of the way, remove this 10, and then we should be able to pull that straight out. Right, bolt been removed, and now just kind of twist it and pull. So we have movement. Just pop this off. There we go. And pull that whole solenoid out and clean up the oil. All right, so if this turned out to be bad, I mean, when the sensor's going off, this is going to be your first thing to look at, and if it's bad, then you would get a new one, and then you just put it back in, make sure that you got the O-ring on it. Just get it lined up, pressed in there. Make sure you kind of twist it a little bit as you put it in, so that it you don't pinch that O-ring. So this is the intake one. You also have an exhaust one, which is on the back of this motor. This is a 2.0 motor with the 16 valve. And so you would do the same for the back one. And so when this code goes off, one is going to say the intake and one will say the exhaust. So, and one thing you'll notice different is the front one on the intake, it's just kind of straight out, and the back one has a little bend. We'll go ahead and take that off, show you how that's done as one thing. So if you were to get the same essential code of saying exhaust variable thing, variable solenoid is gone bad, then you just pull this tab a little bit and pull it to undo it. We've got a number 10 bolt down here. It's going to be on this side. So close to the exhaust manifold itself. Remove that bolt. And the same thing, just kind of rock it and be pulling out. And then we remove it. See, so this is the rear one. Like I said, it's got this big 90-degree on it for the one that goes in the back, and the one that's at the front, it just goes out like that. So that's how you remove the rear one. And when you get a new one, if you need to get a new one, which generally if these sensors are going off, this would be the first thing to go ahead and just replace this. And then if not, then you might have a lot more internal problems to worry about. Tighten up our number 10. It's good and tight. Make sure you put your electrical connector back up. It's good and snug. So that's how you change the exhaust one. And the intake valve solenoid on your 2019 Kia Forte. Now we'll go delete the code and make sure that nothing comes back on. So we got our key on in the full on position, but the vehicle not started. Now we have our code reader hooked up to the OBD2. We're gonna back up and go and erase codes, and we hit yes. And now we just so you want to go ahead and start the car a few times, make sure that that code doesn't come right back, because those codes, when they get set, it takes a few times before it'll kick on a lot of times. Everything looks good. That's how you replace your intake and exhaust variable valve solenoid. And thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.